I know I said we didn't write a lot of love songs, but we did write one. I'm getting married in September. My sister and I, we wrote this love song with our really good friend, Lydia Dahl. And it's basically about how when we moved to Nashville, it really didn't feel like home for a long time until I met my person, and then everything kind of fell into place and Nashville became our home. So this one's called He's Like Tennessee. He's like Tennessee.